Hello guys, how are you my fellow technicians? Today I'm going to introduce to you an alternative ISP tool which is called Hydra tool. This is the simple of it. It's just an Hydra dongle. That is, this thing is activated for lifetime. Yeah, so it has lifetime activation, no annual activations as in other dongles like CM2. So to use this thing, it can be used without without the adapters, the ISP or eMMC adapters, just for online work for services that have preloader. But for ISP work, this thing can be used with these adapters. As you can see, this is one of the adapter here. As you can see, it's written Hydra tool. So it's one of the adapters that is used in. As you can see, it has switches here and this port for plugging in the cable that can be plugged into the PC. As you can see, and this other one, this eMMC again for for the ASP connection. As you can see, this it has all the necessary essentials for the ISP work. As you can see, it has the ground and those are the CM2 data or what all of them are available. This thing works hand in hand with the dongle. As you can see, for this to be connected into the PC, you just link here. You just connect this way. Up should be up. As you can see, this side is the service here. This is service, this is service. So you connect the upper service and the upper service together and plug in. Then these are soldered using a jumper cable into the motherboard of the phone being operated. This is the cable. This cable is connected here. It has a USB end. So you can see this is a USB end connected into the PC. When this is connected into the PC, it transfers the instructions and the codes administered into the PC into the motherboard, which is connected using these soldered jumper cables which are soldered here. So this thing works like UFI and others, but it's a bit cheap and it's user friendly also. I'm going to show you how to connect it. So once I've done this, I connect it into the port here. So I have my port here, I have my USB port here. I connected the dongle here. That's it. But the dongle must show up. Wait a minute. Yeah, that's it. So that means when the dongle lights, it means it has been detected. Then you come to the tool. Sorry for the disturbance. The software I'm installing there. As you can see, I was trying to write a firmware to Oppo A16K, but that uses a preloader, not ISP. So after installing the software, you open it and you connect. I've done a video on how to install the software and set it up one by one. So you come to home, you click home button there, home button, then you come to this button written or named JTAG, and you click on it, double click. So on these, it has services here. So most of the services done for ISP include removal of FRP when the factory reset options has been disabled in Samsung, i.e. Samsung A04, A05, A03, that not necessarily A03, such A07, A16, A15, that as their factory reset disabled, use this thing. So you come to flashing, you click on the flashing or the services, so these are the services for that. So to remove FRP, I wish I had a simple phone. So you solder, make sure you confirm the ISP pinouts from the Chrome or any site that has the right ISP pinouts. Do the necessary pinout soldering to these points. After soldering to these points, connect the cable into the phone, that is the charger, into a source of power, any source of power, not necessarily the PC. So the phone must be connected by a cable into the source of power. Then after soldering these parts into the cable into the phone's motherboard, you connect here this USB end of these adapters into the PC. You plug it into the PC. After plugging it into the PC, you now turn on these buttons. There are this button here, as you can see, this button, and another one here. All must be turned on to ensure transmission of data, during the flashing purposes. So for example, you want to flash or you want to remove FRP in Samsung A05 or A04. After soldering the pinouts, you come to save format. You do the save format first. You wait it till it's done. That's method 1. You do save format again, method 2. After done with method 2, you come to zero wipe user data. On zero wipe user data, wait till it reaches 3 MB. Since it's a slow process, zero wipe data takes a lot of time when you wait it. So you wait till only 3 MB. Make sure it reaches 3 MB. You disconnect the button here. You turn off this button while 3 MB and then turn on. It will finish the process in few seconds and you'll be done. So for these and many more tools, many more GSM tools like this is more advanced than this, but it works the same. It's more of the same but more advanced a bit. So for these simple tools, reach out to me. This one is costing around only $180, not much. 180 USD only. It consists of software which works online only, and ISP work can also be done again. So you can consider purchasing it if you're a technician. No problem. Thank you. Subscribe for more.